first day of Papa and Nana's Farm for you young children, or whoever wants to watch. When you live on a farm, there's always unusual happenings. Sometimes a mommy will take good care of her baby. And so then that is when Nana has to step in and give that baby a bottle. So now I'm going to prepare her little bottle. We have a little girl. Her name is Snowy, right here.
Snowcap.
They call her Snowcap. And she wants her bottle. She says, "Hurry, Nana, hurry. It's time for me to eat." So I have to fix it quick so she can have it. So what I'm giving her after she took a special formula, now she is on Coronation milk. And that's what I feed my babies whenever they can't, when their mommies don't feed them, because it's full of vitamins. It's made from a cow, and they can eat it. So she is going to have her bottle. Here's Snowy, Snowcap, whatever they call her. Here, baby, here it is. Okay, Mama's got it. Yes. All right. And so she says, now I'm going to eat it all up. Yes. And if it wasn't for giving her a supplement, she may not have lived. So that's why on the farm we have to be ready to step in and help out whenever we need to. And they're always so sweet. And a good thing is if you bottle feed them, they're more gentle than they would be if you didn't. I'm glad you were here with me to feed our baby today, and I'll see you again tomorrow.